Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling Samsung Keyboard so Autocorrect has a place to run. Open Settings, then General Management, then Language and Input. Choose On-Screen Keyboard and select Samsung Keyboard. Once done, make sure Samsung Keyboard is set as the default input method. You need to grant any requested permissions so prediction and personalization work. This first step activates the engine that learns your typing and allows the autocorrect features you'll configure next. Now you'll adjust the actual autocorrect behavior in Smart Typing. Open Samsung Keyboard Settings and tap Smart Typing. Enable Predictive Text to see suggestions, toggle Auto Replace to apply corrections automatically, and turn on Spell Checker for underlines. Make sure Personalized Data, or Learn from Typing, is enabled so the keyboard adapts to your words and names. Also review Clipboard or Cloud Sync options so corrections persist across devices. These steps control how aggressive and accurate corrections become. Finish by customizing shortcuts and handling problems quickly. Add text shortcuts and custom words in the Samsung Keyboard Dictionary so autocorrect won't replace them. This prevents false corrections for names or jargon. If autocorrect starts misbehaving, reset keyboard data or delete learned words from dictionary to retrain the model. Make sure the Samsung Keyboard app and system updates are current and clear the keyboard cache if lag persists. If issues remain, reboot the phone and retest to confirm fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.